to our channel. I'm Sophia
and I'm Isabel.
Today we will be
Doing
potatoes. So here are our potatoes, and we have corn here. And it was a really long time ago we planted the corn, and now they're grown a lot more. And these are the potatoes.
This is the potato underground.
Yeah, they're underground, but you never know if it's right there, Isabel. Okay, let's get started.
I'm digging already.
I'm pulling them already. This one has a teeny one.
I think let's go here. I think over here.
Oh, actually, what? Okay, got a potato. It's kind of small, but it doesn't matter. Where's the bucket? We'll just put it in here.
Hi everybody, I'm stuck over here.
You're way at the back. Oh, get another one. Oh, we just watered them, so it's a bit wet, but doesn't matter. Just dig. Okay, let's just snap it.
Raining.
Has some potatoes on there. How did you get that? I was right there. Must be blind.
Put it closer to you.
Oh, I got lots. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a really big one. Isabel, I got a really big one. Take it. Over there. I got this teeny one, but we'll replant it later.
Okay. There's something here.
Oh, there's a rotten one.
I'm gonna find a lot of big ones.
I'm gonna try to pull out this one in the middle. Oh, got one there. We'll replant that.
I think can I have that a moment?
What one?
I'm gonna change it. You can have that one, cause that one's really hard.
Oh, got this one. Isabel.
This time I'm going to use my hands.
This time I have to be careful.
This time I'm going to use my hands to get it out, cause it's really hard. I think this time you.
Yeah, I'm already using my hands.
Yeah. Oh no.
I don't think so there's any more.
Have you pull the potatoes there?
Pull the stems of these. Oh, I got some potatoes in here.
It's wet.
We're gonna replant this one.
Wow! Another one. Ugh.
Look at this, Isabel. We both found really big ones. Isabel. Okay.
Yes.
Oh my god! I pulled us a very small one. I put a very small one and I got two big ones. Isabel, take this. Take these. Whoa! It can't fit in Isabel's hand. I'll put that one over. There's so much in the middle.
Can I go in the middle?
It's very hard, Isabel, because there's corn too.
But pull this one here, go around.
Oh, she got a carrot. She got a carrot.
Here, put this.
I got the biggest one. I'm getting lucky. I got the biggest one. Isabel, didn't take this one? Do you want to take this one, Isabel?
That's why I got a carrot.
Do we have to replant this? I'll just put it over there. Isabel, I think you missed one when you were pulling out this one. That one's yours.
Yeah. Yeah!
Isabel, that one's a seed. Found these. This one's a seed, right? Oh, she got a carrot. We had to replant that. Take that out. Got those. We might replant those. I need more of the stem.
Guess what? I found a big one and it restuck.
No, what did you find?
A big one.
A big one.
I can't get it out.
Oh, guys, I found another one here. I found two.
Here, here, Ati. It's so big.
I can't get it out.
I'll get it.
It's stuck.
Oh, she got another big one.
I got
And guys, I found this one. I was right there.
Yeah, guys, look!
But I
Guess
still
what,
found.
guys, I found potato.
I think that's a baby one, but
Yeah,
it doesn't
okay.
matter.
Abiala.
What?
Guys, so guys, there we showing our potatoes.
So these are all the precious potatoes.
Oh, how much?
So guys, this is the end of our video, and these I got the biggest one, and it was in the middle. And then Isabel got I think that one, I think.
And I got it from Theo.
And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Bye!
Okay.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.